for your warm welcome. And now I request Srimati Ashprabha Madam, Scientist G, Office of CCA, to address the gathering.
Yeah. Good morning, everybody. I'm very happy, at least in these difficult times and with a lot of challenges, we are still able to conduct our training programs through virtual mode. Last year when we conceived this project, we never anticipated that we will have to do these programs in a virtual mode. Normally, we have been doing in a traditional manner of, where the speakers and audience meet and then share various ideas. But now, since what we call it as a new normal, so we also have to change. And, with these difficult times, we are also trying to modify our processes and how we conduct the business. So in these times when everybody is moving, virtually, and we have to eliminate paper more and more, and all the transactions have to be done in the remote manner. So it is very important that we create a trust in electronic transactions. And for doing electronic transaction, Office of CCA has been created under the Information Technology Act and is the main body to implement PKI in the country. For implementation of PKI in the country, we have a Office of CCA where we have our own infrastructure, where we have our own strong room and DR site, and we license the certifying authorities. So this ecosystem of certifying authorities are very important. Actually, they are issuing the DSCs to all the subscribers in the country. And at present, we have around 15 certifying authorities who are issuing DSC to all the people or subscriber in the country, as well as those who are located outside. Even these CS can issue DSCs to the foreign nationals also. There are many foreign nationals who participate in international bids and all those things. So as per the act, we have made the procedures how they will issue the DSCs to these foreign nationals. Now, coming back, now since we also have to cover processes, paperless. So we have, in previous days, all the DSCs were issued by taking a paper in the physical form as prescribed in the IT Act. And then people used to go to the respective registration authorities who will interact with the subscriber as well as CS. And then normally it will take 3-4 days time, or it could be little more also for getting the DSC. Now with these changing times, sometime in February, we made it mandatory that all DSCs will be issued in the electronic mode. So that means while sitting at your desktop, you can get your DSC, and also, and above all, if you have the dongle available with you, this DSC can be issued to you in few hours time, maybe 2 hours time, 3 hours times. So this issuance of DSC will certainly increase the velocity of business in the country. And it will also help, in the World Bank ranking of ease of doing business. World Bank had been preparing report for each country for doing ease of business. And for doing ease of business, one of the factors, as was mentioned to by our Commerce Ministry in the country, that how fast you can get DSC in the country. So we have sort of, facilitated this process, and our CS have really cooperated and ramp up for issuing the DSC in the electronic mode. Our certifying authorities are also, they have to comply with the various processes and procedures as per the Information Technology Act. They have to be licensed by the Office of CCA. And, for becoming a CA, it's not, I will not say very difficult, but at the compliance part, it is very high. Both anybody who wants to become a CA, they have to have financial credibility, and only Indian companies can become certifying authority. And then they have to follow various processes and procedures, and they are audited by Office of CCA before they start their process. And then there are annual audits for TCS, so that, the trust in the electronic remains at the highest degree. And let me share you one more thing, that in these times when people are not able to meet or go for annual audit also. This is the first time we have tried that the audit by the auditing firms are done in a virtual mode. And I think we are getting some success in certain manner, and CAs are being audited annually. Our even CDAC is one of the CAs, and then they were audited in a remote manner, and we renewed their license. So, as you know, I think regarding public infrastructure or PKI, I will not speak much because I think we'll have session from Balaji and Misbah, and Mr. Vakul Sharma will speak about the legal validity of these transactions which are digitally signed, and validity to these transactions have been given under the IT Act. And I would only say that the use of digitally signed transactions is increasing, and at present it is used in many applications like MCA, e-procurement, DGFT, GST applications, income tax. And so far in the country, I think more than 3 crore DSC has been issued. And similarly, e-sign also have been issued, I think more than 11 crores. So I think I wish with this small introduction, I wish all the success to this program, and I hope all the participants will enjoy this program. Thank you very much. Hello.
Thank you, ma'am.